Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's doing well today. I just wanted to invite you along for a coaster spinning class using the bloom technique. I'm going to go ahead and show you the coasters that I created, and then I'll show you the kits, and so you can kind of see how I put everything together for the class. I'll take you through the classroom, and hopefully you'll enjoy as much as everyone else. Okay, thank you. See you in a minute. All right, here are the coasters that I created last night. As you can see, they're already dry. Turned out really nice. I did do some skewer work in it. Just had a lot of fun. So today we've got 4 different colors, and my students are going to have the opportunity to create their own coasters. All right, so let me show you the kits. Okay, so as you can see, I have created 12 kits, 4 different colors. This one here is Southwest Berry. As you can see, I've created all the bloom paints and put them in bottles, and then the cell activator in the little cups. And then I've numbered them so you know which order to put the layers in. Okay. Then I wrote down instructions on how I create my pouring mediums. A little bit different than what others do. Then I have the cups to put your tiles on, pillow paint, tiles, glove aprons, and a mask if you choose to use that. And then I have the cork backers. Let's see if I can get that in here. Then I have the cork backers for the tile coasters. And of course the straws, skewers if you want to use skewer work, and little stir sticks. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Okay, so this is the top floor of Bone Springs. You come in through this door here, and as you see, you come right into the gift shop. It's a beautiful gift shop, lots of fun things. And then as you come into the studio itself, you'll see we're working downstairs. But you see the wonderful space that's available. And yeah, here's a nice little area to rest in. And this, of course, is Miranda's studio here. And as you go through the gallery itself, you'll see some of the painters on exhibit, some of the paintings. This one happens to be Bill Wiggins. And I need to back up just a little bit so you can kind of see. Like I said, this is a really lovely creative space to do your classes in. If you do classes here in Roswell, she does charge a certain amount of money per hour, and if you're interested, you can always work with her. But yeah, she does alternate out the artwork. And she's a pottery artist herself. And this is one of her pieces right here. It's beautiful. And then, of course, she also showcases other artists, which is a wonderful thing. And here is another piece Miranda did. Pieces, I should say. And then this as well. So she does beautiful pottery work, not just pottery, but, and again, like I said, she does showcase other artists. Okay, I thought I would go ahead and share that with you. If you're ever interested in getting a class, you can always come down to Bone Springs in Roswell and talk to Miranda. And yeah, she'll take care of you. Okay, everybody, this is Miranda. Miranda, say hi to everybody.
Hey, everybody. I'm the owner and founder of Bone Springs Art Space. This is the class facility, and Ginger gets to use that today for her wonderful painting class. And I teach classes here as well. I've got an upcoming after-school arts program that will start toward the end of September, as well as an adult read, watch, and make class. So we read a book, watch a movie, and make art based on a particular artist. This upcoming one will be on Michelangelo. I've got a Facebook page, Bone Springs Art Space, or Instagram, but I don't do much on Instagram. Call me at 575-208-0916. There we go, for more details. Thanks.
Thank you, Miranda. Okay, so here's the setup that we have. 2 to a table, and we have 8 students today. So at 2 at a table, it's a beautiful studio, and if you're interested in my next class, just know that there's plenty of room, and if you bring a partner, even better, because you and your partner can sit at the table. So I just kind of wanted to share that with you. This is the setup. And then as we do get started today, with permission from everyone that's in the class, I'll go ahead and do some filming of everyone doing their coasters. Anyway, nice setup, isn't it? This is Bone Springs Art Space here in Roswell, New Mexico. And our host is Miranda Howe, wonderful artist. Yeah, look up some of her stuff. All right, thank you. Okay, so everybody is having a really good time and doing wonderful work. Yeah, beautiful. Kind of messy, but really lots of fun. I'm going to go around the other way so I don't go into that.
Messy? This isn't messy for some of us.
Yeah, oh, look at how beautiful that is. All right. You're really doing a nice job. Oh, look at these.
You like them?
Oh, lovely. Yes, I do.
She gave me some of that black silk stuff.
Oh, isn't that
and some
wonderful?
of her yellow.
You're getting creative. Yes. And Lisa's going for the third one. All right. How are you doing, my dear?
Doing good.
Look
I
at
enjoy
that.
it.
Oh, she's enjoying it. Good. All right. Really nice work. And Terry's having a blast spinning it out. Here's some of their work. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice job, girls. Teddy is having a blast. She is extremely creative. And there's Celeste. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, look at the color on that. Do you love it?
Yes, I love it.
I'm loving it.
I'm loving it too.
Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. So there we are. Okay.
Look at this self.
Okay.
Look at this.
Here we go. We're gonna look at some good
Look
stuff.
at
She
yeah.
got the pink and brown.
Oh.
Look at that.
Like a little star.
I know.
That's it. That's it. Right? You just take some practice, right?
Yay.
Okay. Well done. Well done. All right. Are you ladies having a good time?
Yes.
All right. Me too. Thank you so much for coming today. Thank you all for joining me today. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch us play in the class. And thank you to all my students and friends who were able to show up today. We had a wonderful time, and I'm hoping that we can do that again soon. So, yeah. I hope you all are doing well out there, and I wish you much peace and love. Take care. Bye-bye.